What's up guys, Dean here again with Team Debrew, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Instagram affiliate marketing and how you can get your first sale. Alright guys, here we go. Let's go ahead and get started. Again, for those of you who might have skipped the introduction, this is going to be a tutorial on Instagram affiliate marketing where I'm going to show you guys basically step by step how to start affiliate marketing on Instagram and how to get your first sale. So this isn't going to be with any kind of paid advertising or anything. This is just going to be starting out fresh, how to do it with like free traffic methods, and we're just going to go from there. So first thing that we need to do is we need to be a part of an affiliate network. So we need to be a part of like Clickbank or Share a Sale, Commission Junction, or even Max Bounty, and some of the other affiliate networks also have some actual physical products that you could talk about, or there are also some other digital products as well that you could take a look at on their networks too. For today, we're going to go ahead and take a look at some products on Clickbank. So I've already went to Clickbank and I took a look at some of the offers. The way that I search for these offers, I did a little differently today. I searched by gravity score, and I just wanted to do something kind of high. I chose something with a gravity score over 200. So it only brought up 5 different products. It looks like one is a Cinderella solution, so kind of like a weight loss kind of thing. And they also have like a diabetes one, it looks like right here, that does very well. They have this manifestation, some kind of, let's see, not sure what this one is about. It's probably about manifestation, like money, I believe. And then we got a keto one that we're going to be doing here today. And then there's a numerologist one as well that converts really well. Average sale is a little lower. But for today, we're going to go ahead and do this keto one here. I've already got it pulled up here. It's just basically like a keto meal plan, 28-day meal plan for someone to do. It's got everything that they need in it to be keto, how to get through the keto flu, how to count your macros, intermittent fasting, different things that basically revolve around the keto diet. So this is the one that we're going to be doing here today. And it looks like it's only $37, usually 80 bucks. And it's got a 60-day money-back guarantee. And I believe this is actually only found on Clickbank, because I was looking for some files from them, see if they had any swipe files or any kind of extra goodies. But it looks like Clickbank is the only place, exclusive retailer of it, so we can only run it with them. And that's that. So that's the offer that we're going to be running here today. One thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to need to set up a bridge page to connect our Clickbank offer to Instagram itself. So there's 2 ways to do that I know of, that I typically do on my own. There is a method of doing it by doing an email capture where you set up like a landing page and it just captures an email right away. And then you set up an email sequence after that to basically retarget your email list that you're building with all of the different or affiliate network offers that you find. And then the one that we're going to be going over here today is going to be more of like a ClickFunnels bridge page where we set up an actual funnel to funnel them to where we want them to go and direct them straight to the offer. We're not going to capture any kind of emails or anything. We just want them to see this 28-day meal plan, and we want them to buy it. So what we're going to do today is we're going to set up that. I've got a ClickFunnels lander kind of set up here today. We'll kind of go over it together, and I'll tell you what I did. This funnel can actually be found within the AFK forum, so if you guys haven't already signed up for the AFK forum, make sure you do that by using the link in the description below. Make sure you also like and subscribe to the channel, like the video, because I'm sharing a lot of great stuff here today. And again, you can find this funnel in the AFK forum for free. We've already got it preset up here for you, where basically it's got the quiz on it, and what's going to happen is someone's going to land on this page. They're going to see, oh, keto, cool. Do you have what it takes to complete the 28-day keto challenge? and then it's going to ask them 2 simple questions. I believe our one in the AFK forum might have 3 questions because we either do 2 or 3 depending on the situation. And basically what's going to happen is they're going to come across this offer. It's going to ask them where they find it. Wherever it is, today it's going to be Instagram. So they're going to say, hey, I saw this on your Instagram. They're going to click it. And it's going to go through to another question, which we can't necessarily see here, which will be, where are you from? Which will basically have the questions New Zealand, UK, United States, or other. So anyone will be able to answer it no matter what. And then from there, the outcome will be to our affiliate link that we're going to place down here. And that'll get them straight to our offer today. So what we're going to do is, since we're already here, let's go ahead and go back to Clickbank, and let's go ahead and get our custom redirect affiliate code, our hop link, as they call it on Clickbank. So we're going to find our offer here. Here it is. It's the Keto Resources one. I'm going to go ahead and hit promote. And it's got my account name in here, and I don't have a tracking ID that I need to set up, so I'm just going to grab the regular hop link here. Now, one thing that you wanted, if you did want to do, just to kind of, so you can know the difference between this and like if you're running this hop link somewhere else, is you could put like IG bio in here or something like that, so you could differentiate it if you wanted to. And that'll just add it to the end of it so you could track it that way if you wanted. We're not going to do that today. I already got the other code. I think I grabbed it, didn't I? Let me make sure. There we go. And now we're going to go back to ClickFunnels. We're going to paste it. And I'm going to save it. And now we got a little funnel set up. So I'm going to tell you guys what I did also to set up this funnel, other than obviously the survey that we just went through here together. I also had to find a photo. I had to set up my own little ad copy, add in this background down back here, and you know, just kind of tie everything together. So the way that I found the image is I just went to Google and I just typed in keto logo PNG. Sometimes you can type in like keto transparent image too. But it shows all these different keto images that I could have used for it. I ended up choosing that gold one that you guys found. I don't know if it's going to pop up right here. I was kind of digging through it a little bit. I've used this one before. I've used this one before. I've used all types of keto logos. So they pretty much all work as long as they say keto and they look good. So that's how I found that. The actual ad copy I actually got from the lander itself. So this is the ClickFunnels landing page that they will land on for the actual product itself. It just explains everything about the 28-day keto challenge, and basically just kind of tells you you're going to get 10 different guides around ketos and what they are, how you stay in it, how you master it, how you beat the keto flu. Just drink a lot of water. If any of you guys have not been keto, just drink a lot of water. You'll be fine. If you can't afford... Okay. And then they have some testimonials. Get access now. But I just got that from... Where's it at? Where did it go? It's on here somewhere. Oh, right here. Do you have what it takes to complete the 28-day keto challenge? So I just use that for the landing page here. So you can find some good stuff on a lot of times on the landing page itself. So make sure you guys keep your eyes open for that. They've already done a lot of testing and things with these landing pages, so they know what works well, what kind of wording kind of works out. And if you don't see anything you like, it'll at least give you an idea of what kind of to work off of. So just kind of keep your eye open for that. That's how I came up with this. And then as for the background, you can do a couple different things with the background. You don't have to do a color. I typically like to do colors just to kind of keep it blended and simple. And I like yellow a lot. Yellow is kind of a nice warm color. It's inviting. It's kind of trustworthy. It's just, it's a calm color. So it kind of just keeps everything here together. But you could also do, like keto foods. You could put like fruits and veggies. Not really fruits, because not really fruits are keto. Not a lot of them. But like veggies and stuff you could put back there. Different things like that. You could put like all types of keto stuff back there. I typically do a color though, so if you wanted to put an image, you would just go back to background and you could choose background image. If you guys didn't know, with ClickFunnels, they have a ton of different colors back here too. Like if you just click on background, you can choose different patterns and textures. You can look up stock images. You can put a map, I believe, if you wanted to. Here's the stock images from Pixabay, Unsplash, things like that. So you have a lot of options in terms of finding images for your landing page. Again, I use Google to find the main logo, and everything else I did right here on ClickFunnels. So after you've set up ClickFunnels, all you have to do at this point is go ahead and save it, and we're going to go ahead and hit exit. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I have this here. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go to Bitly. And if you guys don't know what Bitly is a link Bitly is a link shortener. So basically it's going to take this extremely long URL that no one wants to look at. It's super ugly. People see that it says ClickFunnels. So, it doesn't really look too appealing. Bitly will shorten it for you and make it look a lot nicer. And then you can use this for promoting on Instagram. So now let's get to the last part. How do you promote these offers on Instagram to get your first sale? So what you want to do when you're on Instagram, if you guys didn't watch the video yesterday, we talked about how to promote dog products with Clickbank. So this is kind of what we did yesterday. You can build your own page around what you want to promote. So yesterday was about dog training, so we posted all these different dog training, or all these different dog things on here about dogs, just to kind of get people interested in dogs. And then our link here would go to a dog offer. So you would actually kind of do the same thing, but you would do it for keto. So we'd look up different keto hashtags, different keto pages. Where did it go? Man, I had a good one. Oh. So you would look up different keto pages like this one right here, the Keto Bible. And we could do, you'd want to basically make a page similar to this, or basically a page around keto, kind of like they have, posting different keto things like keto desserts, keto meals. This is mainly about a keto meal plan, so maybe stick to things like a keto meal plan. You could also post transformation photos, so maybe someone losing weight. But you're going to want to build a page around what you're promoting, like they have here with this company. So they could do the same thing. Look, shop our guides. Basically, they might have some clickbait, some affiliate products in here as well. And they have like a little landing page set up here with all their different ones. So you could kind of do the same thing as them, but kind of make it your own with your own twist, more focused around this 28-day meal plan challenge. So in terms of following people or getting people to your site, a way to do it is to actually find pages like this or find similar hashtags like this and start liking the photos that people are posting about keto because you know they're interested in it, as well as you can find pages like the Keto Bible here, and you could come and you could follow all of the people that are actually followers of the Keto Bible. So you can follow people that like their most recent posts, different things like that. You can't really see too much on here because this is on the computer, but on your phone you would be able to see who exactly liked these photos, and then if you in return followed those people, they could maybe like your photos or like the things that you are posting about as well too. So that's how you would go about making your first sale on Instagram with affiliate marketing. I hope you guys have learned some stuff here today. Just make sure that you guys aren't being too aggressive when you're following all these people, or else Instagram will have some issues with it. They'll start banning you, giving you action blocks, things like that. So you do want to take it easy at first.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.